about it.
No, I didn't. Why? Because they're right here. Oh my god.
Hey, angles and their measures. On geometry Thursday. Ooh, I need to rewrite that. Ooh, okay. That's the BBA. Students will be able to. The T is silent. Name, measure, and classify angles. We won't finish it today because we only have actually about 11 minutes before our class is over. Okay. Because we had to finish up that earlier section.
We
And
actually
also we're going to hold on to
Three ways to name an angel.
Yes, angels. Okay.
No, I'm gonna English.
Yes, I
Your guardian angel. Oh, I'm sorry, autocorrect.
Okay. So, finish back up here, guys. Voices off, voices off, voices off, voices off. Thank you. Angles and their measure. We're talking about what an angle is, okay? Not angel, angle. A figure is an angle if and only if. That says if and only if twice, okay? If and only if it consists of two different rays. A figure is an angle if and only if it consists of two different rays that have the same initial point. It has the same initial point. They have to go in two different directions. It will be two different rays. Yes, Kevin.
Do you want us to cross off this part?
Yeah. You can cross off those 3 through 6 discussions. Okay. The initial point is also known as the vertex. The initial point is also known as the vertex.
Did we talk about vertexes last year?
No.
I thought we did. I thought we did.
Yeah, we did.
I really did.
I don't
It was like a very short time period. Yes, we did. We talked about vertex.
No, we took.
I'm pretty positive. Remember, because Vex.
Boy bucks.
No, but
No,
What about boy
vertex.
bucks?
No, we talked about vertex. Or I would never know that word. Because it sounded scribbling. But I actually listened to you last year. So.
Are you not listening to this year's outline?
No, I am. But barely.
not as much.
Name the vertex and rays that form the angle, okay? So what's the initial point they both share in this angle? A. So that means A is our vertex. So point A is our vertex.
Yeah.
Okay? So what are the two rays? Somebody name me one of the rays. Okay? Kevin. Ray A, B. We had to go in the order A to B. Okay? What's the other ray? Someone raise your hand to share that with me. Okay? Sarah.
Ray AC.
Ray AC. And notice they both start with A because A is the same initial point. What? Yeah. It is crazy, okay? Go stupid. Ah. Go crazy. Ah. Go stupid. Ah. There's always the delay before the third one. Okay?
Learn it.
Yes, learn it or get kicked out. Okay? No. Okay? Right? Okay. There are 3 ways to name an angle. Actually, it should say there are 3 ways to name an angle because that gets really big. Okay? Anyway, so the first one is using a number inside the angle. A number inside the angle. I know. Okay?
So high.
So, a number inside the angle. Hey, do we see a number inside this angle?
2.
We see 2, so we can call this one angle 2. Okay? Hey, we have symbols a lot of times, right? And so for stuff in geometry.
Yeah.
You guys want to know a cool symbol here? Okay, well, that's too bad. Okay? It's like a mini angle.
Oh, you're funny.
The bottom line is flat, and the top line is like a 45-degree angle there. Okay? Slanted, okay? Angle 2. That's the same thing.
Did we learn about parallel lines, perpendicular lines?
I think we did.
I'm asking you to learn about them.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, the second way is using the vertex. You can just use the vertex. So for this one, we could call it angle what? Angle A, because A is the vertex.
LA.
Hi, Smart. I'm Mr. Carlson. Nice to meet you. The third way is using 3 points.
Did you take my lead?
Using 3 points. That was really far off. Jeepers. With the vertex in the middle. 3 points with the vertex in the middle. It's important.
How'd you do that bad?
I know, right? At a new level, okay? So angle what? What 3 points can be used here? With the vertex in the middle. BAC. How else could we do it? Cab, CAB. Okay, but the A has to be in the middle. You have to have the vertex in the middle. The other 2 points are interchangeable. The vertex has to be in the middle. Typically, we use this third method the most because it's the most specific. And we'll start seeing here, oh, it'll get confusing if you don't use 3 points. Okay? It'll get confusing if you don't use 3 points. Okay? What this is saying, it goes from B to A out to C. Or from C to A out to B. Either way, it's the same angle. Question on that? Flip the page. Okay. Answer the following questions about the figure. Sides of angle 4. Well, let's first find angle 4. Angle 4 is right here. The 2 sides are the 2 rays. What's one of the sides of this angle? Graded.
Ray AF.
Ray, close, ray what? Not AF, but FA. We have to start with that initial point. Who can tell me the other side of angle 4? Okay? Kevin.
Ray FB.
Ray FB, very good. Common side of angle 5 and angle 6. Common, that means it's going to be what? Shared. If it's common, they have it in common. So when we look at angle 5 and angle 6, they only have, of their 2 sides that they each have, do they share one of them? Yeah, Ava, which one do they share?
GC.
Yeah, Ray GC, very good. Not if you do the GQ. Magazine. Magazine. Who said that?
About what?
About magazine stuff. Okay. C. All angles with ray FE as a side. All angles with this ray as a side. Spoiler alert. There's. Okay. Who can give me one angle with ray FE as a side? Melissa? Okay. Angle AFE. Very good. That can be one of them. Angle AFE. Okay, that's one of them. Angle AFE has ray FE as a side. Okay? You can give me another one of the 3. Taylor. Okay? That's actually going to be the same angle, but a different name for the angle. So it's still the same angle. That's a good question. Okay? EFA and AFE are the same angle, just different names. What? I don't know. Okay, Sarah. Okay? EFG. Yeah, that's an angle. Angle EFG. It's called a straight angle, and we'll learn more about that later. But it's still an angle. Okay? Kevin, what would our last one be?
Angle BFE.
Angle BFE. And could we switch that E and the B around if we wanted to? Heck yeah, you could. Now, if someone were to ask, Mr. Costle, what about this one right here? I would say no. Does anyone know why I would say no? Kevin, what are you thinking?
Because F is the, the initial point.
Yeah, because F is the initial point of the ray here, whereas G would be the initial point. That's not what we want according to this. So it wouldn't be ray FE, it'd be ray GF or GE. That's not what we want.
Took me a while to find it, but I got it.
D. Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Too big.
Keep it. Do it.
Paint the whole screen that
Okay. A point that lies on angle 6. Angle 6 right here, this angle. What's a point that's on the angle? There's 3 different options.
Six.
Point H. Point what? G. Point what? Point, I heard C. Any of those. You just have to name one. Whichever one you like the most, I suppose. Whichever one looks the prettiest to you. E, a point on the interior. Interior, is that inside or outside? Inside. Interior of angle AFG. We don't want something on the angle. We want something inside of the angle. What's the point inside of the angle? Angle or point B. Very good. Point B is inside of that angle. Okay. Exterior, or as I like to jokingly mispronounce it, outerior of angle AFG. Okay. Point D. Is there another answer we could have had as well?
Yeah.
Point E as well could have worked. Okay. Either one of those. You just need one that says A point. Either one of point D or point E would be on the outerior, jaw, exterior. Go ahead and pack up there, okay? You guys know who wants to know. Yeah, thank you. Those in the teammates mentor program. Ah.